you go. Nandito kami sa, where are we, madam?
Park Street Views.
Park Street Views. There you go. Ang mga sosyalera kong friendship. O, ganun. Mga alta syudarera kong kaibigan. Yan. O, di ba, bongga? Trinit na. Pala siya. Dito tayo papakainin ni Madam. Kuraku Restaurant. Japanese. Nose?
You see the board?
That's why I...
What do you want?
No, we wanted to have dinner.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Hi, Naomi. Thank you. For my favorite one first. However, you're not included in the option. So I will choose the man who won. Yes. Exactly, yeah. So beautiful in that side. Yeah, here. It's so bright in that side. Kinabridyo. Thank you. Buon appetito. So what do you call this one? Meatballs. Pinagandang meatballs, mga kalaka. So we'll try it. It's nice. Let's try the salad with anchovies. What is anchovies? It's a Roman lettuce. What is anchovies? So we'll try it. Mga kalakha kulay, something from Shara today. That bagoong in English is anchovies. Can you show that one? You know
This
bagoong.
one. So
Yeah.
that's bagoong na isda.
Bagoong
Right?
na isda. So they call it
It's
in
so good
English.
with salad.
What they call that in English? Anchovies.
I really love it with salad.
Ah, ganda. Oh. Yes. It's time to eat pizza. Italian pizza. Margarita.
Margarita pizza.
We love margarita pizza. Ciao, ciao, bella, ciao, ciao, ciao. Thank you, bye. Hello. Lasing na naman tayo. Mapapagalitin na naman tayo. Ay, tama-tama. Wala ng tao. Thank you so much, Mama. Bye mga kahalakhak. We'll see you again next time. We are here at Park Street Views. We are here at Park Street Views. Huh? Muse. Park Street Muse. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. See you again next time. That's it, Muhammad. Bye. Thank you, Muhammad.